Right, so we've got a rectangle piece of paper. You're going to take one corner and fold it over right to the other side of the paper. And push the paper down and then lift the pointy corner at the top and bring it right over to the other corner. And now you have a triangle and a rectangle. It looks a bit like a house. Now you turn the piece of paper and fold it over in the middle to meet the other side. You're folding it in half. There's your middle line. And now you take it and fold it back just a little bit. Just a little bit. And you're going to do it on the other side as well. Turn it over and fold it back just a little bit. There we go, and there you've got your two wings on either side and the cockpit in the front. That's where the pilot sits, and your plane is ready to fly. But before you fly your plane, why don't you draw some people in the aeroplane or some patterns or color it in, and then maybe you can ask mom or dad to send your teacher a video of your plane flying inside or outside. Have fun!